Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Mama Lisa's in the kitchen. I am cooking for two tonight. And so I am going to put together, I have put on a pot of Pintos earlier today and they're almost ready. And I'm gonna make us a little miniature cornbread. We're gonna have that, some corn on the cob, some macaroni and cheese, and leftover pork chops. What y'all having for dinner? I would love to know. I'm going to take an egg, just one egg. I'm going to take, I don't know, a cup and a half, maybe, of self-rising cornmeal. This is kind of one of those recipes that I just have to eyeball. And then I'm going to take some buttermilk. I'm going to put in just a pinch of sugar and maybe 2 pinches of salt. And let's see how we can put this together. I've got my black iron skillet in the oven on 425 and I put maybe 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the bottom of it. I'm getting that heated up. And I'm gonna eyeball this buttermilk until I get the right consistency with my cornbread. Listen, my granny made cornbread every day for her dogs. She made it, of course, for her family, but when it was just her and her dogs, she made it for the dogs. And that looks about right, if y'all can see that consistency. You could add jalapenos to that if you want to. Cheese. You could do a lot of variations with it. I like onion in mine, but my husband is not an onion lover. So that is what I'm going to fix tonight for supper. I'm going to grab that pan, see if it's gotten hot enough. Hang on just a second, we can chat a minute. Yep. So I got the oil hot enough and the pan is hot. Let me grab a spatula. And I'm going to pour this into a hot, greased, miniature black iron skillet. And I have, like I say, pork chops, macaroni and cheese, and corn on the cob in the fridge. This is going into a 425 degree oven until it's golden brown. And usually it takes about 20 to 30 minutes with this little pan. So I'm gonna set my timer for 20 minutes and check it. So that I don't burn it. Anyway, that's what we're having in our house tonight. Leftovers and some homemade cornbread. Let's see what y'all are saying. Oh, thank you, Susan. I think I found that bowl at TJ Maxx years ago. I think that's where I got it. It's perfect size for that little project. Hey, Tracy, and hey, Adam and Shirley. Vicky's having baked spaghetti leftovers from night spaghetti I love leftover spaghetti. And I think it tastes better the second day, to be honest with you, Vicky. You know, once it has the chance to marry up and then put you some cheese on it and bake it. I love it. Let's see. Hey, Amy, Cookie Monster Fan Club. And BLT sounds wonderful. We've had a definitely cooler day today. And it's been beautiful weather. But the high here, I think was going to be like 85, which is better than it was last week because it was really hot last week. But anyway. Oh, thank you, Carolyn. I actually been laying on the couch. I had a shingles vaccination early this morning, and I don't feel great. And the doctor said I might not feel great for a day or, you know, sometimes the day after. So I don't feel great, but I know this cornbread's going to taste good, and these pintos are going to taste even better with a little chow chow. Can't wait. Anyway, I will talk to you guys later. Marilyn says Italian subs and macaroni salad. That sounds delicious. And hey, Kim from Virginia, I'm going to hop off of here. I'm going to take a picture of my plate, and I'll put it up a little later on the story and probably put it to the page as well. But I hope y'all have a wonderful, wonderful evening. We've got some really fun surprises coming up on the page, so stay tuned to cooking, cutting up, and keeping it real. And I hope y'all have a wonderful Tuesday night dinner time. And we'll see you soon. Bye now.